What's good, guys? We're back at my project where I'm building my dream house. If you guys haven't seen the rest of the series on my YouTube channel, I've been documenting the process of building my dream house. I'm building a $1.6 million house at just 23 years old. I got started wholesaling real estate when I was 16 years old, and in just 2 years, by the age of 18, I was able to become a millionaire. And then I've went on to make millions of dollars and done over 500 real estate wholesale deals. And by doing that, that's given me the ability to build my dream house. And as you can see, there's no house anymore. You can pop up a picture of what the house looked like, but the house is gone. Well, I decided to tear the house down. Basically, I walked the property with my contractor and with my architect, and basically we were tearing the roof off and tearing 80% of the walls down. And so there was only about less than 20% of structural walls remaining. And so it just made more sense to tear everything down, because if we got rid of all the structural walls, then it would qualify as new construction. So instead of it being a 1996 remodel build, it's going to be a 2026 new construction, new build. 2 streets over, there's houses that are 3,300, 3,400 square feet, selling for 2.1 million new construction. Mine's going to be 2,400 square feet new construction. So that puts me somewhere between 1.5 million to 1.7 million in value that it will be worth once I am done building the house. So essentially, we have been doing demo, tearing the whole house down, and what's next is they're getting rid of the rest of the demolition, you know, and then from there, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna do the forming of the concrete. So we're doing additions. We're doing a master addition. We're doing an addition on the left side of the house and on the back of the house. And so what they're gonna do is they're gonna first demo out the concrete in the places where there's concrete, where they're doing additions, because they need to remove like patio concrete so they can do the actual foundational concrete where they put the footings and everything that's needed. So they're gonna be able to form that up, meaning they're gonna use plywood and whatnot to form up where the concrete's gonna be poured at. And then what we're also gonna be able to do is cut into the foundation where we're gonna run the new plumbing. And so, besides that though, I have to wait on getting my permits back, and permits in Scottsdale take about 3 months. I've been in the process for a couple months, so I'm hoping to get them back by the end of October, and then we can start building up. So then comes framing. We're gonna frame the whole house. Then comes electrical and plumbing. We check everything, and the inspector from the city comes by, and then from there we can do sheetrock and start finishing up the house. And my project manager, Franklin, says that once we get the permits, we can hit the ground running. We should be able to have the house framed up in a month, under a month. So we'll know what my dream house is gonna look like, all framed in wood, in a month once I get those permits. So the house is gone. It's crazy. What's up, Franklin? How you doing? Doing good, man. So we tore down all the house, except one portion, because the power line with SRP was there and they took a couple weeks to get rid of it. So we left like this little piece of the house standing, but now all that's gone. What are you doing with the blocks? Throwing them in the dumpster? Or?
Yeah, we gotta get another dumpster.
So you're just not too worried about the weight of it?
Yeah, we gotta separate the debris and the concrete.
And then next is chipping out this concrete, huh?
Chip out this concrete and chip out here.
So like I was mentioning, they gotta remove like patio concrete where the additions are gonna go, because they have to pour actual foundation concrete. This is the sewer main right here. We found this big ass hole, and it keeps raining, so the pool's just filling up. We could go take a swim. But I also had my landscaper that I hired go and take out all the stumps. So there was like 15 trees, and we took out the stumps. Franklin took out the huge ones in the front. He's got one more. But then me and my team initially cut down the trees with a chainsaw, which was pretty fun. But we started grading this, so that way what's gonna happen next with landscape and with my pool guy is we're gonna chip out the pool. So I was actually supposed to meet him today. Let me try to call him and see if I can get him out here. I was supposed to meet him today to work on a final price, and then they're gonna start chipping out the pool and prepping that. And they're also gonna sand down or whatever they have to do on the cool deck, so that way it's prepared to be resurfaced. But then what I'm gonna do with him is choose the location of the basketball court, and he can pour that now. So we're gonna pour that and chip out the pool as well. So let's give Jesus, the pool guy, a call and see what can be done. See if he was out of town last week. That's a lot of water, man. It's really been filling up. No answer. I'm gonna ask him if he's back in town, but so let's keep running with it. So as you can see, it looks a lot smaller, right? The backyard looks smaller. Where the house was looks way smaller too, which is crazy. So yeah, just looking forward to it though. I'm so excited for this, man. All this hard work that I put in all these years, doing all these real estate deals, man, and just grinding since I was 16 years old till now in order to make something like this happen. I mean, who at 23 is able to design their house from the ground up, choose exactly how it's gonna look, build it out, right? Like at 23, who has the money, who has the ability to do that? So I'm just so, damn, that's loud. I'm just so grateful I've been able to do this in my life. So guys, if you want to learn how to wholesale real estate, all of this that you see here, me being able to build my dream house here in Scottsdale, it all started with me doing my first deal. So at 16. So guys, I want to show you how to get your first deal in the next 60 days and make $20,000 or more. So all you have to do is click the link down below. I hold a 1-hour live training every week where I show you step-by-step how to get your first deal. So I want to see you on the call. There's limited spots, sign up, and I'll show you how to do your first deal and then go on to scale up so that way you can accomplish something like this. And also, if you're trying to learn wholesaling, I have a free course. It's called my Free Wholesaling University. There's a link down below in the description for that. There's 20 course videos showing you step-by-step how to wholesale. Click that link and sign up. I've done over 50 flips where I've bought the house and fixed it up and resold it. And I've done hundreds and hundreds of wholesale deals. But when it comes to my flips, they were always easy, quick flips, carpet, paint, easy remodels. This is the biggest project I have ever done. I have never done new construction. I have never torn a house down to the ground. So it's kind of scary that the whole house is gone. I hope it gets rebuilt, but I'm sure it will be. And I absolutely love my project manager and my contractor. So if you guys are in Arizona and you need a contractor, check out E. Garcia Granite. They're located in Mesa. But yeah, man, that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. Update on the house. The house is gone. And every week I'm gonna be giving you more updates. So make sure you stay watching the channel. If you're not already subscribed, hit the red button and subscribe. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.